I, Ndiritu Muriithi, having been appointed the chairperson of the Kenya Revenue Authority Board of Directors, do swear that I will be true and faithful to the best of my ability and power in the execution of the trust committed to my charge and the inspection of the service of the Kenya Revenue Authority Board of Directors. And that I shall not acquire, take or receive any fee, gratuity, or reward, whether pecuniary or in any sort, or of any sort or description whatsoever, either directly or indirectly, for any service, act, duty, matter, or thing done or performed or to be done in the execution or discharge of any of the duties of my office or employment on any account whatsoever other than my salary and or allowances or what is or may be allowed to me by law in writing. And I shall not divulge or give out any document or information to any person, nor permit access by unauthorized persons, save as permitted by law. So help me God.